Imagine running a shop without keeping track of how much you sold, spent, or earned. You wouldn't know if you're making profits, whether to order more stock, or if you can repay a loan. That's where accounting becomes essential. It's not just about writing down numbers, it's about creating clarity in chaos and turning transactions into decisions. Over centuries, accounting was seen as simple bookkeeping, recording who paid how much and when. But the modern business world is complex. Today, accounting has evolved into an information system, a structured process that collects, organizes, and communicates financial data. It helps managers, investors, and even governments understand the financial health of an organization and take better decisions. Accountants today do far more than update ledgers. They help design online payment systems in e-commerce, investigate fraud through forensic accounting, assist in financial planning and environmental reporting. This shift happened because decision makers realized that accounting data helps solve real problems, from budgeting to tracking social responsibility. Think of accounting as a smart device for your business. It collects financial data, processes it, and then outputs information that helps answer questions like, are we making a profit? Can we repay our debts? Should we invest more next quarter? It provides this data to everyone, from internal managers to external investors, in a format they can act upon. A small cafe owner uses accounting to know daily profits. A startup founder uses it to present business plans to investors. The government uses it to ensure companies pay the right taxes. No matter the size or type of organization, accounting acts as the bridge between business operations and strategic decisions. If you understand accounting, you understand the language of business. Whether you become an entrepreneur, an economist, a policymaker, or an auditor, knowing how to read financial statements, track assets, or measure profits gives you an edge. And that's exactly what this chapter introduces: the nature, the need, and the scope of accounting in today's world. Accounting is no longer just record keeping, it's a tool for decision making. It transforms raw data into strategic insights. Accountants are now analysts, planners, and even investigators. In a data-driven world, accounting helps make sense of what really matters: money, value, and performance. Up next, we'll dive into the meaning of accounting and how the process works, from identifying transactions to communicating results.